A monthly earnings total from Mistplay only reflects one person's account, available games, and playtime. It should never be treated as a guarantee of what you'll earn. By the end of this video, you'll know why monthly Mistplay earnings vary so much, what actually affects your results, and how to judge someone else's earnings report realistically. If you're watching a video titled, "What I Actually Made," the number matters much less than how it was earned. Two people can use Mistplay for the same month and end up with completely different results because they have different game catalogs, different devices, different regions, and different amounts of time to play. The first thing to look at is playtime. Someone who opens Mistplay occasionally will have a very different experience from someone who plays eligible games consistently throughout the month. Mistplay rewards qualifying gameplay and milestones, so activity level has a direct impact on the rewards available to that account. The second factor is game availability. Mistplay doesn't show every user the same games. The catalog changes over time, and the titles available on one account may not appear on another. That means copying someone else's strategy isn't always possible because you may not have access to the same games or reward opportunities. The third factor is account eligibility. Certain games, promotions, and reward opportunities are tied to individual accounts. Even if two users install Mistplay on the same day, they may receive different recommendations and different earning opportunities over the following weeks. Because of those differences, be careful with videos that promise a specific monthly income from Mistplay. Unless the creator explains exactly how they earned their rewards, including the games they played and the time they spent, their total doesn't tell you what your own results will look like. The best way to evaluate Mistplay is to install the app, review the games currently available on your account, and decide whether those titles are games you would actually enjoy playing. If you're only interested in maximizing rewards, compare the available opportunities before investing your time. Here's the quick recap. Monthly Mistplay earnings vary from user to user, game availability changes over time, and your own account is the only reliable way to estimate what you can earn. Treat personal earnings videos as individual experiences, not guaranteed outcomes. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more Mistplay comparisons, tutorials, and straightforward troubleshooting guides.